Welcome back, everyone. You may be having an issue where your Snapchat app just keeps telling you that a snap is just tapping to load, and for some reason you can't open it. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, as always. The first thing I would recommend doing is to make sure you're connected to an internet connection. That's pretty much the fastest way to tell this. So you can make your way over to your settings app for your iPhone or Android or whatever device you have, and you want to make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi connection or a cell connection if you're on data. And a great way to tell this is to make your way over to any application out there that takes Wi-Fi or internet, such as, the App Store. And you want to scroll through and you want to make sure you're able to load things. And if everything loads up perfectly well, then it's probably not an internet connection problem. But if you notice that when you load up an application and stuff, and it takes a long time and it's very slow and it just crashes on you, well, there's probably a problem with your internet connection, and you're probably going to have to fix that before continuing on. Now, let's say you do that and for some reason you still have the tap to load option. Well, you're going to have to tap to load it. So tap it and see if it keeps loading. If it just keeps respringing you to tap to load and tap to load, that could mean that there's an error within Snapchat. And pretty much you're going to have to wait until Snapchat fixes it. So this is typically what we know as the down issue. So if Snapchat servers are down, you're pretty much just going to have to wait until they fix it. Now, luckily for you, there's nothing you have to do. So you just have to wait it out. And the great way to tell is you can make your way over to this video or videos like this and look in the comment section and sort by the latest comments. And I'd recommend leaving a comment too saying, hey, my Snapchat is down, whatever. And if you comment and other people are commenting around you very recently, then that probably means that Snapchat is down, and you're just going to have to wait until Snapchat fixes that issue. From my experience, this is probably the best and easiest way to fix it, and that's something I've done time and time again. Now, let's say you do that and it's still not working and or nobody's commenting, it doesn't look like Snapchat is down. Well, what you want to do is you want to close out of Snapchat. So you want to close out of Snapchat like this. You want to make your way over to your app store. You want to click on the search button. You want to search up Snapchat just like this, and you want to go ahead and update your version of Snapchat. So if you're on a very outdated version of Snapchat, then that may be the issue. So you want to update, and that could fix it too. And in my experience, that's typically what fixes it. If it's not Snapchat being down, then it's probably Snapchat just needing an update, and that's probably all you have to do. If you're still experiencing issues at this point, that may mean Snapchat is actually down and you may just be one of the first people to recognize it. So the best thing to do is just put your phone down, wait for a couple seconds or use Instagram or something, and then go back into it and see if that fixed it. So that is pretty much the main way to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.